Okay, I have copied the program name and I came to the MOD SAP table. Okay, and here I am providing asterisk symbol and the name which I have copied, the standard program name, and one more time asterisk symbol and the type. Click on F4 button. So function exit. Right? Double click on it. Click on execute button. And here it is giving something, one more something SCU 000 to something enhancement name they are giving. Just copy this one. Okay, it is copied. Now I will come to the SMO transaction. This is SMO transaction, right? Just copy and paste the enhancement name here and click on documentation, click on display button. So in the environment menu on the IF4 screen, you can active the function plus CUS. Means so plus CUS in the menu button. Okay, in the menu button, if you want to add any extra menus, okay, then plus CUS we already saw that one. Okay, so the same thing, this enhancement, okay, will work fine here because plus CUS is coming. Okay, otherwise just check in the Google. Okay, what is the uh, customer exit or what is the exit name to add the menus. Okay, in the utilities tab or any another tab. Okay, then it will display you the enhancements. Okay, you have to check each and everything which will work fine, then you have to take that one. Otherwise go to the functional team, they will suggest you which will be suitable for us. Okay, so I am using this one now. Okay, so how I have find out this one, just I have copied the program name and I went to the MOD SAP table and I have copied and pasted the name and click on execute button, then it is giving one enhancement number. Okay, SCU something 00002 something number they are giving. Okay, and I will click on attributes button here and click on display button and click on components. If you see here, this is a function exit and the function codes is coming something plus CUS is coming here. Okay, so you can implement this one. Okay, you can implement this one. Fine. How can I implement? We can implement the customer exit in CMOD transaction, right? So for checking, for displaying SMOD transaction, okay, for find out the enhancement or customer exit. Okay, if you want to find out any customer exit, then SMOD transaction. If you want to implement that customer exit, then CMOD transaction. Fine. Just copy this name. I have copied the name and I will go for CMOD transaction slash and CMOD transaction, and here project 2 I will take here. Okay, project 2 I will ZAJF T2 I am taking and click on create button. Okay, then button only and click on save button and I'm providing something package name and the TR name and click on enhancement assignments. Okay, here I will provide the enhancement name. Okay, click on enter button, but here it is displaying SAP enhancement. This enhancement already belongs to project something project AJF2. Okay, I think I have practiced on this one. Okay, I will go for CMO transaction slash and CMOD transaction and ZAJF2, right? ZAJF2 I'm taking and click on display button and click on enhancement assignment. So I have used here. So I don't want to use here. So I will deactivate it and delete it. Okay, ZJF2 is deleted now. Now I will come here. I will click on enter button. Now it came. Okay, error is not coming because the previous project I have deleted that one. That's why it's not coming. Now fine. Fine. Now click on save button. Now click on components button. It is showing you okay some function exit and some menu exit. Okay, the function exit we have to write the code. Okay, in the menu exit, we have to provide a name. Okay, what is the menu button? Click on CUS plus CUS here. So what do you want to provide here? I want to provide go to VA03 transaction. Okay, I want to provide the name as go to VA03 transaction. Click on OK button. Guys, 1 minute. Go to VA03. Click on enter. It's not working, right? Click on play, edit button here. Okay, it's not working. Mhm. Okay, here I'm providing go to VA03 transaction and click on copy button. Okay, and click on OK button. Fine. And now if you double click here, automatically the name will come go to VA03. It will come like this. Fine. Okay, the name is VA03. Okay, I mean the name is go to VA03 transaction. Fine. So where is the date transaction? So in the utilities tab, sorry, in the utilities menu button, I want to add one more button here, that is go to VA03. Okay, if I click on that button, okay, if I click on that button, go to VA03 transaction, I want to call VA03 screen. I want to display VA03 screen. Fine. So I'm adding the name in the plus CUS. Okay, go to VA03. I'm adding something name here and exit function exit. You have to write the logic here. Okay, in the menu exit, you are adding the menu name here. Okay, you are adding menu name. Otherwise, I will give here something VA03. That's it. I'm not giving anything VA03. I'm giving here. Okay, click on copy button. Okay, if I click on the VA03 button, then I want to go for VA03 transaction. Okay, you have to write the logic. I mean, logic means code. What is the code here? So if you want to write something logic in the customer exit, then only one way, that is function exit only. You are adding something button, that is okay, fine. Okay, you are adding something menu button, that is okay. But if you click on that menu button, then something functionality should work here. Okay, that functionality you have to write in function exit only. Okay, now double click on it. Double click on this include. Click on edit button, and here I will write like call transaction VA03. Okay, that's it. Just click on activate it. Click on back, activate it. Click on back. Here, the function exit, I have written the logic like call transaction name I have given. And in the menu exit, I'm adding one menu button. If I click on that menu button, it will go to the VA03 transaction. That is the requirement here. Click on activate button. Now click on back, activate this project. Now I will execute this SE38 transaction one more time /n SE38. Okay. Now I will click on utilities button. If you see here, VA03 is coming, but previously VA03 was not there. Now it is coming. After versions button, one more button is coming, that is VA03. If I click on that menu, if I click on that VA03, what is happening? VA03 transaction is coming here. Okay, sales order display. Click on back. Okay, one more time, click on utilities VA03. If I click on this button, VA03 screen is coming here. Okay, and here also. Click on change button. Sorry, not this one, right? our enhancement project. Click on components and the function exit. We have to write the logic like this. Click on edit. Say your name. Don't forget about this one because you are practicing now. Okay. Say your name very simple and edit. Okay. Activate it. So this is the way. Okay. So whenever you are practicing at that time, you have to write the condition. Okay. Otherwise, it will apply for all users. Click on back. Activate it. Click on back. Activate it. Fine. Okay. So this is the menu exit. If you want to add any menu button, then we will go for menu exit here. Now coming to the screen exit. Okay, screen exit. So I have one transaction slash and me23 and this is the PO or displaying or PO changing something. Okay, so here in the menu, the item is coming here, right? So in the item, something tabs are coming, some material data, quantities, delivery, invoice, something tabs are coming. Like that, I want to add my own tab. Okay, if you see this button, if you click on this button, it will display all the tabs here. Okay, first one is the material data. Here, material data. Okay, quantities, delivery schedule, delivery, invoice. Okay, so it is displaying all the tabs here because all the tabs cannot display in the single screen. So we have to click on some arrow mark here, right? So if you click on this button, we can see all the tabs here. The same way, I want to add my tab here. Okay, the same way, I want to add my tab. So in the tab, okay, in the tab, I will provide something data. Okay, something data I will provide there. I want to provide two fields. Okay, I want to provide two fields information in that one. Fine. How can we do that one? Screen exit now. Okay, screen exit. So first of all, we have to find out the package for this transaction. Okay, system status. Program name and what is the transaction. Click on go to attributes and here ME package name is ME here. Okay, click on copy button and now how can we find out the enhancements here? Through SMO transaction. Fine. Here slash and SMOD or SMO transaction and provide and click on F4 button and click on information. Okay, click on information and provide the package name here ME and click on OK button. Here it will provide, okay, here it will provide list of enhancements here. Okay, list of enhancements. Here we have to find out what is the exact enhancement. Okay, we have to read the documentation and we can take help from functional guys or we can take help from Google, whatever it is, we have to find out the exact enhancement here. Okay, you have to do some R&D. Here our enhancement is let me check this one MM06E005. Okay, click on documentation or reader button, click on display button. So here it is displaying something, maintain supply your own customer fields in the headers and items of all purchasing documents except purchase. Okay, fine, this is okay. Okay, so if you want to add your own fields information, okay, if you want to add any your own fields to the transaction, then we can use this uh, enhancement. Fine, this is the enhancement, exact enhancement. So how can we find out? By seeing the documentation. Okay, by seeing the documentation or taking the functional help or Google it. Okay, we have to find out the exact customer exit. Okay, exact customer exit. This is the main concept. Okay, find out the enhancement. Okay, either it is user exit or customer exit or baddie, whatever it is. So we have to find out the location where we have to write the code. Okay, if you find out the location, then coding is very easy. Fine, this is the enhancement. So I will copy this one and I will go for CMO transaction slash n CMO transaction, and here I will go for T3. Click on create button, and this is for adding ME22 or 23 or 21, whatever it is. Okay, ME23N or 22N, 23N. Click on save button, and now click on enhancement assignments and provide the enhancement name here and click on enter button, but it is showing something error message. Okay, already that AJF3 is there, one project is there. Okay, only one time we can implement. Okay, only one time we can implement. If you have any enhancement name, you can implement that one in only one project. In another project we cannot implement that one. There is a drawback here. Okay, so one more concept is there, right? Bodies is there. Okay, baddie. So you can implement 2-3 times also, no problem. We will check it later. So as of now, customer exit, but customer exit we can implement only one time. In only one project we can implement that one. In two projects we cannot implement same enhancement. So there is a drawback here. /4. I will go for CMO transaction /4 CMOD transaction. So what the project name? JF3, right? So I will deactivate and I will delete that one now. JF3. Click on display button. Click on components. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I have used this one. First of all, I will delete it. Deselect it and delete it. Yes button. Okay. Okay, I have deleted it. I will close this screen. Now I will click on enter button. This is CMOD transaction only, and click on enter button. Now it is taking because that is deleted. The previous project is deleted. That's why it is taking here. Now click on save button. Click on components here. Okay, fine. Now where do you want to add buttons? So in the item or header, where do you want add? Okay, here this is the PO ME23N or ME22N or ME21N. Okay, so PO information. In the item level, I want to add one tab. Okay, I want to add one tab. In the tab, I want to add two uh, two input fields. Okay, two input fields like some that material, something material will be there, right? So that material where it is manufacturing. Okay, made in, where it is in which country it is made in, and uh, what is the barcode for that one. Okay, what is the barcode for that material? I want to add these two fields in one tab. Okay, so for that one I have find out one exit. Okay, one customer exit I have find out. So this is the customer exit, and here you can see some function exit and screen exit and some include tables also available. Okay, so include tables also available. Now what we have to do, so if you want to add any fields in the header data, then we can go for EKKO, CA underscore EKKO. PO information will save in EKKO and EKPO. EKKO is the header data and EKPO is the item data, right? Same thing. Here EKKO DB is there. This is the header information, and EKPO DB is there. This is the item information. This is the include tables. Okay. So first of all, we have to add fields. Okay. We have to add fields. Where do you want to add? In the header data or item data? I want to add the fields in the item level. So I will go for EKPO, CI underscore EKPO DB. Double click on it. Already exists. Choose a different name. Okay, what I have done, I will copy this one. I will copy this one and I will go for /4 S11 EKPO. I already added here. That's why it is not allowing here. If you see here, already in EKPO table, CA underscore EKPO DB, because I have added, okay, previously I have added the material barcode and made in like that. I have added. Why I have added like this? So if I don't add like this, then I have to add it. So for example, here EKPO is there. If I double click on it, then it will create one include. Okay, it will create one include in EKKO table. After that one, I have to activate the table, right? It will take a lot of time, nearly 40 minutes or 1 hour like that. It is taking time. That's why I have activated previously. If I activate now, it will take a lot of time. The class will disturb here. That's why I am not activating it now. Okay, so just double click on it. Okay, so in your system, just double click on it. At that time, it will uh, open the structure. Okay, you can add the field name and the data element. Field name, data element. Okay, your field name and data element you can add there. Fine. Then you can see that one in the EKPO table. Okay, in EKPO table, how I have added here like that. You can add. You can see the names, field names in this way. Fine. And here, screen exit. Right, screen exit. Where do you want to provide the screen? Okay, and here something, this is the first one is there, right? This is for header. So how can we find out this one? We have to do some R&D here. Okay, so in the old version, okay, the old version here they are giving something like EKKO, EKPO, like that. They are giving something names, but in the latest version they are not giving. So if you check in the Google or functional help, then they will suggest you. Okay, so where can we add the screen? Okay, 1 minute, guys. This is ME23, and right. So here I want to add one tab. Okay, so in that tab I want to add one screen, one sub screen I want to add. Right. So first of all, you have to create that sub screen. Okay, you have to create that sub screen. Where do you, how can we create that one? So here, this is the header screen and this is the item screen. Okay, the screen number SAP is providing you. Okay, you have to use that one only. You cannot use other things. Okay, you have to use that thing only. Double click on this triple one here. Exists. Okay, fine, no problem. Click on OK button. How can I show you this one? Time pro already exists. That is okay. Fine. So if you see here, I'm double clicking on this EKPO one more time. If you see, I'm adding the fields like this. Okay, I'm adding the fields like this and click on. You have to activate it. If you activate it, then the structure will add in the EKPO table. Okay, by default it will add, not required to activate it once again, but it will take some time for activating. That's why I'm not activating. I'm not adding any button. I'm not adding any field and I'm not activating anything. It will take some time. Okay, and now 001. This is the screen for item level. You can check in the Google or take the help from functional. Okay, and I'm double clicking on it. So if you see here, something a layout is coming. Okay, I have taken. Okay, I have taken two fields here. Okay, material barcode text and material made in, where it is the country key. Okay, and the material barcode here I'm providing. Okay, so what we have to do? So for the first time, we have to double click. Okay, we have to double click on this 0111. Then what will happen? It will create one subscreen. Okay, it will create one subscreen with 0001. At that time, you have to provide in the attributes tab. You have to provide subscreen. Okay, subscreen, and click on layout button and add the fields. Okay, so whatever the fields you want to add in ME22N or ME23N or ME21N, those fields we have to add here like this. Okay, so if you double click on it, okay, EKPOCI material barcode like that, it is coming here. Okay, so the field is adding in EKPO table, that's why it is coming like that. Okay, and here what I have taken, EKPO underscore CA I have taken. Okay, why I have taken like that, I will show you. Fine, and I am not writing any logic here, just I am adding one screen, that's it. Okay, one subscreen I am adding, so in that subscreen I am adding two fields. Okay, so the material barcode and the country key I am adding there. Click on back, and we have to implement the code. Okay, fine. So whatever we have taken the subscreen, that will work here. Okay, that subscreen will display here, but I will provide something data there. Okay, I will provide something data there. For example, activate it. Okay, click on back, activate it. 1 minute. Enhancement project Z. Sorry, not JF3, T3. Okay, just activate it. Click on back, activate this project. Okay, fine, no problem. Click on back. Now I will come to the MB. Here, there is no after Incoterms. Okay, there is no tab here, right? Or I will take the screenshot for this one. Print screen. I will come up. I will re-execute it /n me22n or 23. Okay, and here if I click on this button, okay, here customer data is coming. Okay, customer data. If I see the previous screen, okay, there is no customer data. I think so. Let me check. Here customer data is not available. Okay, if you see here, customer data, one tab is coming. Okay, customer data after retail, customer data. So customer data, in this customer data, material barcode text and material maiden is coming here. Okay, and if you see here, there is no customer data because the enhancement not activated there. Fine, fine. Here I will provide something data. Something provide data I'm providing, and click on save button. No data change because I'm adding the buttons. Okay, I'm adding one screen here and I'm adding something buttons here, and I'm not implemented. I have not write the code. Okay, so here I'm providing something data here. Okay, here I'm providing something data. This data I want to save in EKPO table. This is the item information, right? So this data I have to store in EKPO table. I did not write the logic till now. I have to write that one now. So till now what I have done, I have added some fields in EKPO table by using some structure. Okay, and after that one, I have added one subscreen. Okay, so SAP is providing some subscreen numbers. Okay, click on components button here, and here this one, right? So SAP is providing some screen number. Okay, we cannot take our screen number. Okay, SAP is providing the screen number, so in that screen only we have to create the subscreen. Okay, so other screen numbers we cannot take here, that is fixed here. Okay, that is fixed, that is one more drawback here. Okay, screen number is coming, that is SAP is providing, but we cannot provide our own screen number, that is fixed. That is one more drawback. Fine. And just I have added the screen and I have added the fields in that screen, but I did not write the logic. So I'm providing something data in those fields. If I click on save button, then those data also have to save in item level or header level, whatever it is. Okay, so for that one we have to write the code. Okay, and here we have to check. Okay, in the import tab and export tab, here importing and exporting tables are coming. Is there any EKPO or not? EKPO is not available. All are EKKOs only. Okay, all are EKKOs only. So we cannot write anything here. Okay, in this exit we cannot write anything. I will come to the next one. Is there any EKPO in the import export tab? You can check here. Okay, EKKO. No, EKKO is not available here. In the tables tab, okay, fine. In the tables tab, TEKPO is coming, fine. But here the importing tab or exporting tab, there is no EKPO option. We have to check in each and every function exit here. Okay, and here I am taking this one. I have already implemented. Okay, so here I will double click here. Here EKPO is coming in the importing tab. Okay, so I can implement the logic here. Okay, I underscore EKKO, I underscore EKPO. And one more thing, CA underscore EKPO, whatever you are saving the fields, okay, those fields will goes to the CA underscore EKPO. Just double click on it, EKPO underscore CA. Okay, so CA underscore EKPO automatically it is showing. I mean, this is the structure here. EKPO CA is the structure. In this one, material barcode and made in is coming here. Okay, fine. So we can write the logic here. I have commented the code, I think so. Yes, I have commented. I will not comment it. Save it. I will tell you what I have written here. Okay. Here EKPO underscore CA material barcode equal to. Okay. Means in the screen level. Okay. The screen level, whatever the field. Guys, 1 minute. Where is this one? This is the screen, right? That thing. Click on. So here, whatever the name I am giving here, EKPO underscore CA. Okay, the name I am giving like that, EKPO underscore CA material barcode, and this one, EKPO underscore CA made in. So whatever the names I am taking, so those names only I have to take here. Okay, the function exit, the include. And here EKPO CI hyphen material barcode, EKPO underscore CI hyphen made in. So whatever the fields I am maintaining in the screen level, we have to take same thing only. Okay. And why I have taken this one ICA EKPO, EKPO, ICA EKPO. Okay. In the importing tab, if you see here, I am using those things only here. Okay. I underscore CA underscore EKPO. Okay, they are using some variable or work area. Okay, they are using some work area ICA EKPO. So we have to use those things only. Okay, ICA EKPO material number and made in. So I think you will get a little bit confused here. Why we have to provide same fields only here. Okay, so if you implement one screen exit, then you can understand why we have to take like that. Okay, the importing tab and exporting tabs, whatever the names we have given, so same names we have to follow. Okay, same names we have to follow. And one more exit is there, two function exits are there. Okay, and here also, okay, in the changing parameter, okay, the changing parameter ECA EKPO is there. Okay, we have to change the values. Just activate it. Okay, ECA EKPO material barcode equal to EKPO CI. So first of all, we have to find out the location where we have to write the code. Okay, if you check in the Google, automatically they will give the sample code. Just copy and paste here, and whatever the field names, just rename the field name. That's it. That's enough. Okay. Main thing is we have to find out the location where we have to change the code. If you know the location, then just Google it. Automatically they will give a lot of codes. Okay, just copy and paste in your place and just rename the field names. That's it. Okay, automatically all the data will work here. Activate it. Click on back. Activate it. Okay, fine. Click on back. Now I will go for this one. Same ME22 intent action slash ME22 intent action. And here I will go for customer data. In the customer data, I'm providing something. It's something barcode I'm maintaining and India I'm maintaining. And this is the PO, right? Just copy this PO. Click on copy and click on save button. Purchase order. Okay, something error is coming here. I will take another PO number. Where is it? Sorry. Something I want to take help from functional guys for that PO. No, this is not available. This PO. I will check in the table level. See the guys, the class will disconnect in 1 minute. So I will continue the class tomorrow. Okay, if it is finished, then it is okay. Otherwise, I will go for tomorrow. I will show you how the values are changing in the EKPO table. Okay. Okay. I'm giving some, I'm giving something name there. Something SDK. Something is giving. Click on save button. So it is saved. Okay. If you go to the ME23N provider, same thing is coming here, right? So the data is coming like this. Okay, if you have doubt, then you can check the EKPO table by providing